Welcome. Today, we're going to explore the intriguing world of the Oman 50 Baisa 2015 coin. Let's dive in. The Oman 50 Baisa coin was minted in 2015 and features intricate designs that reflect Oman's rich history. On the obverse side, you'll find the national emblem of Oman, a symbol of the country's sovereignty and heritage. Flipping it over, the reverse side showcases an image of the Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque, one of Oman's most iconic landmarks. This stunning architectural marvel is beautifully depicted on the coin, capturing its grandeur and significance. Now let's talk about the value of this coin in the market. As of recent data, the Oman 50 Baisa 2015 coin in uncirculated condition can fetch a respectable sum among collectors. While its face value is indeed 50 Baisa in the collector's market, its value can range from a few dollars to upwards of $350 or more, depending on factors such as rarity, condition, and demand. If you're looking to buy or sell this coin, you can often find it available on online marketplaces, coin forums, or through specialized coin dealers. Be sure to do your research and verify the authenticity and condition of the coin before making any transactions. And there you have it, folks. The fascinating history and market value of the Oman 50 Baisa 2015 coin. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this coin is definitely one to add to your collection. Thanks for watching and happy collecting.